Yeah, so welcome back to on how to build your own PowerMta SMTP server. So to get started, first you have to get your VPS hosting, you have to get your VPS hosting, you have to get your domain. So you can just go to ovh.com. And this one is loading, then you have to head over to Namecheap to get your domain, namecheap.com. You can use namecheap.com. Or you can use any domain registrar you feel like using for your SMTP. So sorry, waiting for it to load. So just load, then just firstly change your to language. Basically based in Nigeria, or just put it in dollar. So your account is based. So then come to your PMTA, come to VPS, come to just click on just choose without commitment, then click on order now. Then choose your distribution only. So before, like with this method, before you can able to build your SMTPs in this method, you're going to be choosing CentOS, but it's no longer working again. So the next option you have to choose is to choose almalinux. Then choose the version 8. Then click on checkout. Then purchase your VPS hosting. Then after purchasing your VPS hosting, then go over to your domain. Then purchase a domain from Namecheap or any domain registrar you are going to use. It's the same method as long as you have it working domain that is already registered. So that's for that. After you're done getting your hosting and domain, the next thing is download these two software I'm going to be using, which is one PMTA client. So download it, search for PMTA client. Yeah, then the second software Win SCP. Download it as well. Then click on download. Just download it and install it. I've already have it on my system that I'm going to use. Then so just click on download and install it on your system. So then after you're getting your hosting, your domain, PMTA client, and USP install, the next thing you need is the PowerMta script, the license, and the command you need to run it. Then a complete course. So you can just click the link under this video tutorial to get access to everything, the script, the license, the command you need to run it. So just click the link under the video tutorial to get the PowerMta script. So I'm going into my Namecheap account. So there's a Namecheap account I'm going to be using for the domain I'm going to be using. So let's go to manage advanced. Then this is the command you are going to be using to set up your PowerMta script. So let's go back to our email now. So after you purchase your OVH, so they're going to send you your credential of your IP, your username, and your password. So the next thing is to copy your IP, open your PMTA client, paste your IP, hit enter, and click on accept. Then log in as, firstly you have to log in as almalinux. Then log in your password. To generate your password, they are going to send you a link and log with your credential. Just click on the link. So copy the link, then right click. If you want to paste password on both client or both clients, you just right click the password that we paste, then it's not going to show. You enter everything successful. So enter your client password again, change to new password. So when entering your password, it's not going to show, but know what you are entering. Sorry. So open the project client again. Just copy your IP address. Then log in as almalinux. Then enter your password you change to. So I've logged in successfully. Now, the next thing before we start following the process to install our PowerMta script, can you see our username is almalinux? So we have to change it to root server. So there are some VPS hosting that is going to give you root server directly. So if you are using OVH, so if you are something like Contabo, they are going to already set your account to root. So because we did it, to be able to upload to our server. So for us to change this command, first run this command. Hit enter your new password. You can also use your previous password if you like. Then password change successfully. Copy the next command, paste it, hit enter, copy the next command, hit enter, enter your password. Can you see it has changed to root from almalinux to root? So just reboot it. Start section. So this time around, we are not going to log in as almalinux again. We're going to log in as root. Enter our password. So you have successfully logged in. So the next thing for us is to change our host name. So our host name here is our host name. This is command we're going to use to change our host name. So this just changes to your domain. I'm going to be I just change this to my domain. So if I want to install it on the subdomain. So if you want to install it only on your main domain, just leave it like this. Just remove this and put it like this. But I want to install it on the subdomain. Then after do the changes with this command like this, the next thing is to go over to your domain to create an A record. Still loading. Just click on add a record, click on add, enter. If you want to install it on your root domain, on your main domain, just enter add. If you are using a chip, then enter your IP address. Let's copy our IP address again. Your IP address, then click on save. So it's going to propagate within a few minutes to few hours. Then if what I want to install it on the main domain, which I've already have on my server, I think no, I don't have it on my server yet. I'll just put mailer me, then it's save. So that's it. So I just copy this command and go back to our putting. So for you to check your previous host name, just enter host name. Can you see our previous host name? These are previous host names. So for us to change it, just copy the command, then right click, then it's enter. Then let's check our host name again. Can you see it has changed our host name? So the next option is to update our parameters. And the command so this is going to take a few minutes. So by the time this is going to be done, let's quickly log into our WinSCP so we can be uploading our PowerMta script along with that. Just log in your WinSCP. Let's copy our command, our IP address. Then enter your username. Then click on update. So this is your PowerMta script. So for you to get the PowerMta script, so just click the link under this video. Is going to take you to this page. Get your PowerMta script. Everything you need to know the PowerMta script, the full tutorial, the full command, how to configure everything, how to add additional IP. You are going to get everything in this full course. So everything is done now. So let's just move. Let's copy. Then paste it here. Okay. It's going to take a few minutes. So let's go back to our Putin. So this I've done updating. Let's copy the next command to install everything that PowerMta needs for it to work. So then install. So the installation done successfully. Estimate for PowerMta is still loading. So it has done uploading. Then let's run our command to install it. So municipality and then install. So the next thing for you is to upload your license, upload every file that goes to come to PowerMta, then configure everything. So everything is going to be in our full video. So for you to get access, after we get access to your PowerMta full course, you're going to get access to the command how to configure your PowerMta so you can work perfectly like this. The PowerMta is installed like this, but you can't use it. You can use it like this. So let's set up everything. Go to our root. Yeah, so we are under our etc PMTA file. Then after everything of the setup, then you have to open our config file. We have to fill it on the disk page then to make our PowerMta start working. So for it to get everything, so when you get the PowerMta script, everything you need is going to be in the video tutorial. You don't have to have stress and figure out how to set up your PowerMta, and you can use the video to create unlimited SMTP for yourself or for business or individual. So if you have config file, so everything have been set up, so then we have to go back to our putting client is still active. Then run this command to know if it's working or not. So your task goes, let's restart it again. So let's run this command. If you receive OK, that means you set everything properly. If you receive fail, you have to check where we did error. Okay. Then we run this second command. Okay, can we see our PowerMta has start working? So you have to go to test it smtp.net. So now what you need to get our SMTP credential, we need the host name, the username, password, email from bot, and encryption will be 2525. Sorry, 2525. This will be none. Email from, let's just say mail. The password, just go to your config file. Again, let's go to our config file. This is going to be your username, admin, and our password. We can change it to anything if you like. Our password, admin. Your host name, you can either your IP address or your host name that you change your, is that your IP address or your host name, which our host name is me. So either of these two can be our host name. So let's run a quick test right now to see maybe it's working or not. Let's paste our IP 2525. Check this email. Just choose our email. Admin at 123. Admin. So our email. Let's run the test to this email. So make sense. So that deliver here. Let's see, make sense successfully. So your PowerMta start working. You can start with it to send your email marketing. So let's check the second IP. So we use this host name. Let's see. I click consent. So make sense successfully. Let's check again. So you can see it has delivered as well. So we can either use your IP or your host name that we change to do your host name and your SMTP. So data you can build your own SMTP server as well. So for you to just get the full tutorial, the full command, the full configuration, the PowerMta script and the license, you can just click the link under this video tutorial. So if you want to chat us on our WhatsApp or Telegram for question, you can just check this option to message us on WhatsApp or Telegram. So, and if I go, so maybe you want to buy email leads that you want to send to, you can also visit 80dayleads.com. You can get email leads that we can promote your product or service to. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you find it useful, click on the subscribe button, like and comment. Thank you. See you again.